guys, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Today we're going to be making baked beans from scratch. Let me show you the ingredients you're going to need. I have a pound of dry navy beans that I soaked overnight. You're also going to need some beef broth, and I'll explain about this because this isn't the norm. I've got some molasses, some minced garlic, of course salt, some ground dry mustard, 6-ounce can of tomato paste, an onion, about half a pound of bacon, some pepper, and some apple cider vinegar. This is the unfiltered, so you just shake it up, and some brown sugar. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to drain these, and I'm going to put them on the stove with some beef broth. And I'm going to simmer these for about an hour, 1 to 2 hours to cook them. And after that, we'll be back. Hey guys, I'm sorry. That was real short and sweet. What I've done is I did drain the beans, and I put them in the pot with a little bit of beef broth. I didn't have much left. It was a little over about 3/4 of a 32-ounce container. Then I filled it up with water. All you're going to do is cook these down for about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then you go on from there. But I'm sorry that was a little short and sweet on the intro. But alright, let's get this cooking. We will be back for the next part. Alright guys, I'm back. What I did was these cooked about an hour and a half. And I just cooked them till they're tender. Then I drained them and I reserved the cooking liquid. I did not add salt at this time. I'm going to add it later. But all the approximate measurements are going to be in the bottom. Alright, I did forget which is Worcestershire sauce on my ingredients. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to add the tomato paste. You can use ketchup, tomato sauce, whatever you want to. Oh, preheat your oven to 325. These are going to cook approximately 3 to 4 hours, even though I did cook them till tender. You want all these flavors to marry together, and because of the molasses and the brown sugar and the bacon, it's going to get that good old baked bean flavor. Alright, I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Some pepper, but not a whole lot. On my Instant Pot potato soup, I put way too much pepper in there. I'm going to add some ground mustard. And if you don't have ground mustard, you can use regular mustard. I'm going to add some apple cider vinegar, about a tablespoon. A little bit more.
That's that smidge.
Yes, that's smidgen. Got some Worcester. And yes, I do know how to say Worcestershire, but I just want to call it Worcester. And I've got some minced garlic. I'm trying to use all this garlic up. Then I'll go back to fresh. But this is convenient, so I'm going to drop the onions in here. Good old molasses. That thing did move. Oh God, that's sweet. And some brown sugar. This is going to a little bit more than I probably wanted. About 1/4 cup. I found this pot or dish about 12 years ago, actually. And whenever I saw it, the first thing I thought about was I want to use this to make baked beans in. And honestly, I've only used this pot dish for 2 things. I make my porcupine meatballs in it, and I make baked beans in it. I've only made baked beans. This is my 2nd time, I believe. As far as real, from the heart baked beans from scratch. What you reserved this for was, you're going to cover the beans with it, of course, but it's going to cook for 3 or 4 hours, but you want to check it every hour and check the moistness, because you don't want it cooked all the way, all the liquid to cook all the way out, because it'll burn. But anyway, go get back this pot. It is glazed. It is a clay pot, but it is glazed. And I did spray it with cooking spray because, as you can imagine, this is a very sticky dish. I also wanted to tell you at the end of my videos, at the end screen, I'm going to be promoting another channel. Because I've been promoted on a couple of channels, and I think I need to return the favor. And you just want to pour in enough of this just to cover the beans a little bit. And if you run out, of course. Like I did use beef broth, I just wanted a little extra flavor. A little late, but welcome to my channel. I do a lot of southern cooking. I want you to take a look around, see what you like, if you're new here. And hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Alright, you can cover this with foil if you don't have a lid. But this does have a lid. I'm going to put it into 325-degree oven, and I'm going to let it cook for 3 to 4 hours, but I'm going to check it every hour. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot. One of the most important things. How could I forget the bacon? I'm just going to put the bacon on top. So all the good bacon grease gets down at the bottom and soaks all the way through. Today's the Daytona 500, first race of the year. So I'm sure this won't be done till afterwards, but we're going to enjoy the race today. How perfect was that? Alright, now once again let's put the lid on and put it in your oven and check it every hour. We're going to cook it for 3 to 4 hours. We'll be back later. Okay guys, these have been cooking approximately 3 hours. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the lid off. Let's check the moisture level. Yeah, I need to add some Just a little bit. I'm going to put the rest of it in there. And I'm going to take the lid off and I'm going to let that bacon crisp up a little bit while I cook the rest of my meal. Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, everything is ready. We've got our from scratch baked beans. I think I want a couple of pieces of this crispies. We got our smoked sausage, barbecue smoked sausage that is. And our fried cornbread fritters, whoops, that I'm going to make all over the place. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Comment below and share it out on your social media. Supper's ready. Bye.